What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Quick unboxing and review on this Casio watch. It's a vintage style Illuminator. Here it is, 34 millimeters. And if I can get it out, perfect. So this is it. It's stainless steel, gunmetal black color, pretty light, and then has a one size fits all band. So you just lift this tab, slide this to wherever you need it, and lock it in place. Get this to focus for you. So we have time, day of the week, get the month and the day of the month as well, and then you have another digital clock here. You have adjust, mode, search, and light. There's the light. So this watch has different modes. So this is, I have it set to New York City. See if I get this to focus on the Wednesday. So every time I'm hitting it, there's alarm, there's the timer, stopwatch, and back to my primary country. And then if you hit this one, there's UTC, London, Paris, back to New York City. So you can set different time zones. To change it, push and hold the top left, and you'll see the seconds flash. So if you hit mode, you can change the time zone. So I have mine set to New York City. Set the hour, the minute, 24 hours or 12 hours if you want the readout to be like this, military time or AM, PM. And this is the year, so 2026. You push it again, there's the month, the day of the month, illumination, so 1 or 3 if you want a high or low, or 1 second or 3 seconds, excuse me, and then back to the beginning, adjusting the seconds. So to get out of it, just push the top left once, and if you did it right, the day of the week should be there already. But this is it. Let me throw it on. So latch the bottom and then push the top. That's it.
Hello from the future. It's been about 2 weeks. I've been wearing this a lot, and I'm just going to give you a follow-up review as well in this video. And as far as durability, this thing's really great. I think the only little maybe blemish I was able to put on this thing was on the plastic casing, because again, this is like the Casio plastic like always, but it's very durable. And then the band itself is stainless with that gunmetal finish, right? But overall, it's holding up very well. Got a couple compliments on it, but it's not a Rolex. But I do love this watch. Only maybe 2 things, 1.5, 2 complaints. Numbers maybe just a little bit small, or the readout, but you can still make it out, no problem. Other than that, the real issue is if you have hair on your arms, this band, when it slides up and down, will pull on your hairs occasionally. It's not pulling it out, but just a little irritating because of the way the band is designed. But if you can live with that small detail, then this is a great watch for you. One more thing I failed to mention, as you're pushing this bottom left button to go through the modes, you use the right 2 buttons, top and bottom, to cycle through, let's say, the month or the day of the month or the hours, minutes, so on and so forth. And then when you get to the part that says on and off, that's referring to daylight saving times, on or off. So if you have your set, for example, mine was set to New York City, but I had that set incorrectly. When I pushed to go to UTC or to London, it was off by an hour because my daylight savings time was set incorrectly. So that's how you'd fix that to get it back to the correct time zone. But overall, I love this. I love being able to look down at my watch and have the day, the week, and the month, and the date. There's no question where where I am, you know, what time it is or what day it is or the date. It's awesome. No need to really look at your phone anymore, which is cool, because disconnecting is becoming more and more of a luxury these days. But overall, for $100, I give this watch 5 out of 5. It's becoming one of my favorite pieces. If you guys have any questions, comment them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. I hope this video helped somebody. Here's one last glance again after 2 weeks of wearing this thing and beating it up and still looking really good. But like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a nice day.